Today, we're going to talk about NFT marketplaces. Watch this video to find out what it is, how to develop the marketplace, and how much it costs. Welcome to the Jelvix channel, where we share the latest trends and ideas from the tech world in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Now, let's get started. The term non-fungible token, or NFT for short, refers to a piece of digital content associated with a blockchain. These can be text, images, audio recordings, domain names, trading cards, and in-game items. Each NFT element is unique, and we cannot replace it with another object. That's why we call such assets non-fungible tokens. Now, let's consider an NFT marketplace role. Simply put, it's a dedicated platform for holding and trading non-fungible tokens. Items either have a fixed price or can be bought at the auction. It's worth noting that buyers must have a crypto wallet to conduct transactions. An NFT market grows. Thus, as of April 12, 2021, about 23.7 thousand NFTs were sold in the art segment over the previous 30 days. As of July 15, 2021, the total number of sales in 30 days was about 45,000. So you can see that the numbers are rapidly increasing. The most well-known NFT marketplaces are Rarible, OpenSea, and Atomic Market. Let's dwell a bit on each of them. The first one we discuss is Rarible. It is a community-owned NFT space that allows you to easily create, collect, and discover NFTs from thousands of talented creatives. Now let's move on to OpenSea, the first and largest peer-to-peer NFT marketplace for cryptocurrency goods. It's like eBay on the blockchain. Available products include collectibles, in-game items, and other blockchain-protected virtual goods. And the final one is Atomic Market, a shared liquidity NFT market smart contract that is used by multiple websites to provide users with the best possible experience. Have you tried any of them? Share in the comments section below the video. Now, when you understand the NFT concept and the way it works, you can decide to build your own NFT marketplace. Follow these basic steps to do it. First, you should select the right blockchain. Most of the NFT marketplaces are built on well-known blockchain networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Cardano, and Polygon. The next step is to identify an audience. NFT marketplaces specialize in buying and selling certain assets. Some could be all about digital art space, while others could sell in-game assets. Since they have a well-defined target audience, niche ones are very popular. Then it's time to move on to a suitable UI/UX design for the NFT marketplace. Good design enhances usability and provides a great feel and look to the platform. Once you're finished with the design, go to the front end and back end development. At this stage, you put your design ideas into action. We choose the best tech stack to meet your objectives. The next step is to select the base tokens. NFT support standards include ERC 721, ERC 1155, FA2, DGoods, and TRC 721. Each token has its own benefits and drawbacks, depending on your NFT application. Thus, you need to choose a viable option with your development team. Now you can move on to smart contracts development. Since NFT markets are decentralized, smart contracts are created to confirm transactions and auctions without interruption. You can read more about the concept of smart contracts in our recent article. Follow the link in the description box. The final stage is test and deployment. At this stage, you need to identify and resolve each backlog. Software tests ensure that the project works correctly. How much does it cost to build an NFT marketplace? Well, everything is dependent on the amount of work required, but the basic elements of an NFT marketplace cloning scenario typically cost around $100,000 to $500,000. As you can see, the development of NFT market in today's world is essential. You can get help from blockchain development companies to create a well-deserved NFT market to succeed. And the last question, do you think that NFT marketplaces are just overhyped stuff? This video was produced by the Jelvix team. We help the world's leading brands innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We're sharing the latest on technology trends and innovations. So be sure to subscribe not to miss any videos. And don't forget to press the bell button. Also, share what topics we need to cover further on our channel. Find out our contact details in the description box. Bye for now.